It is good to keep the house and the body clean every day. It brings out the productivity in you. But wait a minute, that is not all. Did you know that an average steering wheel has 9 times more germs than a public toilet? The AC duct is filled with harmful bacteria and mold. The trunk retains an average of 850 strains of bacteria at any given time. The gear stick home to approximately 356 different kinds of germs. Enjoy a healthier and fresher car experience with our unique products. Add your car's hygiene to your hygiene checklist today. Call your Just Gone dealer now.